Enhance your HVAC knowledge with the ultimate professional ebook bundle. Are you eager to delve deeper into the world of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning? Look no further. Our exclusive HVAC Professional ebook bundle is a treasure trove designed to equip you with an expansive understanding of this dynamic industry. Whether you're a seasoned HVAC professional or a budding enthusiast, these essential eBooks are your gateway to mastering the intricacies of HVAC technology, system efficiency, design, and maintenance. This comprehensive ebook bundle comprises a wide range of indispensable resources. Audel HVAC Fundamentals, Volume 2. Control Systems for HVAC. Electricity for HVAC. Fundamentals of HVAC Control Systems. HVAC Basics and System Efficiency Improvement. HVAC Engineer's Handbook. HVAC License Exam Study Guides and many more. Download now, link is in description.